Hi, welcome to this week's Elliott Foundation Quick Tip. I'm going to show you how to add reminders in Google Sheets. In your blank Google Sheet, the first thing you'll need to do is go to Addons, get Addons, and search for Add Reminders and install, just as I've done here. Once you've completed this process, you're ready to go. In your blank Google Sheet, click Add-ons, Add Reminders, Setup/Edit Reminders, and wait for Add Reminders to load. This will pre-populate 3 columns, just like this. You can see that it's populated Task, Assignee, and Deadline. The Task column is the job that needs to be done. I'm going to change that. Send CPD records. The assignee is the email address of the person that you wish the email to be sent to. I'll leave that one as it is. And the deadline is the date and time that you wish the email address to be sent. I'll change this one to the 11th of March. All your other columns you can add just as you wish, and you can format exactly as you would any other sheet. When you're ready, click Add a New Reminder. Your deadline column, you don't need to change. You're happy with that. Send reminders. Change this so that your email is sent when you're happy for it to be sent. Recipient options. If you want to be notified, leave a tick in the box. If you want other people to be notified, add columns and put more email addresses in those columns. The columns you add will pop up in these boxes. You can personalize the email that you send by clicking on the Personalize Emails Sent link. Don't forget to update CPD records. You can change the subject at the top of the email customization. And there's also a tick box, include the spreadsheet URL in the emails sent. If you don't want your recipient to receive a copy of the spreadsheet, you can untick the box. When you're ready, click Done. And click Done in Add Reminders. And you're ready to go. Close your box, close the sheet. You can see in my emails I have a reminder from a sheet that I did earlier, and this is what my reminder looks like. I was the assignee, that was the deadline. My task was update Bitmoji scenes, and the message, don't forget to add a new Bitmoji for COVID. And I did receive a copy of the Google Sheet. So if I click, it opens up my Google Sheet here. And you can see I have a link to my Bitmoji scenes, which I'll open up. And this one's telling us to have a super summer, everyone. If only. I hope this tip has been useful for you. Thanks for watching.